Hi friends, Whitney here. Welcome back to another episode of Whit's Tips on Nutrition Trends. Today we're talking about how to put together a plant-based meal plan for your family. And I'm going to show you how to make my son's favorite snack lately, strawberry cheesecake chickpea balls. We've all been there, standing in front of the fridge not knowing what to make for dinner. Even as dietitians and food bloggers, we know that managing your family's meals can be overwhelming at times. How can you simplify it? Meal prep and plan. Number 1, each week set aside a day to prepare a couple of snacks and a few staple foods to mix and match for lunches and dinners. Number 2, pick 2 recipes to batch cook during the week for a fresh dinner one night and yummy leftovers the following day. Number 3, cook a big batch of staple foods like brown rice or pasta, some roasted veggies, beans, or some baked tofu. You can then add sauces or spices to these and combine them in different ways for quick meals throughout the week. Number 4, chop up large fruit like watermelon or pineapple and veggies like carrots, celery, and bell peppers for munching in between meals. Other fruit like strawberries, wait to wash and prep until you're ready to serve for optimal freshness. My son also prefers eating them with the stem on, or with their hats, as he says. Another common snack in my house is strawberry cheesecake chickpea balls. These babies pack in the nutrition with protein and iron-rich chickpeas and vitamin C-loaded strawberries. I love pairing strawberries with iron-rich foods because they are such a rich source of vitamin C, which helps to increase the absorption of iron from plants. Babies and toddlers need a lot of iron, so it's really important to optimize their intake with this vitamin C trick. Strawberries are also packed with antioxidants and contain fiber, folate, and potassium. Getting enough folate is especially important during pregnancy to help babies grow and develop. So let's get to the recipe. In a food processor, grind up 1.5 cups of oats, then add 1 can drained and rinsed chickpeas, 1 cup raw cashews, 8 medjool dates, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 teaspoon vanilla, and half a teaspoon of salt. Omit for babies under 1. Pulse until a sticky ball forms. Add in a half cup of diced fresh strawberries and pulse just a few times until berries are combined, but taking care not to overprocess. Roll into balls and refrigerate or freeze until you're ready to eat. We love to enjoy these balls straight from the freezer or pack them in silicone bags to snack on the go. Having a nutritious snack when you need it makes plant-based eating and parenting so much easier. If you try the recipe, let us know in the comments below. I'm Whitney, thanks for watching.